Every year, steel mills lose millions, not because of people or equipment, but because the in-house systems process engineers rely on weren't designed for today's volatility. These systems work on historical averages. They're useful for reporting what happened yesterday. But when alloy prices shift daily and chemistry windows narrow, these averages force a tough trade-off to overspend on expensive alloys or risk off-spec product and costly rework. At one mill, this approach meant more than 100 pounds of excess nickel per heat. When you calculate that over thousands of heats, it added up to more than $1.5 million in annual losses. Together with Gerdau, Fero Labs introduced explainable machine learning into the process engineer's workflow. Instead of backward-looking averages, engineers got forward-looking predictions, which is where variability was likely to occur and how to reduce alloy use while still meeting chemistry specs. Engineers could validate or challenge each recommendation with full visibility into why the model suggested it. This example wasn't a lab exercise. It was presented at AISTech, with the technical details published in a peer-reviewed white paper. If you want to see where your mill might be losing value and how engineers are addressing it today, check out the full article and download the award-winning white paper linked in the description below. The chances are your in-house systems are telling you what already happened. The real question is, are you ready to predict the future?